Corsair's Dominator Titanium RGB DDR5 kit delivers very high speed and tight timings that noticeably benefit demanding gaming and content creation workloads on modern platforms. The heavy forged aluminum heat spreaders and Corsair's advanced cooling design keep temperatures in check even during extended stress tests and overclocking sessions. Extensive support for both Intel XMP and AMD Expo profiles makes dialing in the rated frequency and latency straightforward for users who do not want to tweak every setting manually. Corsair's iCUE software unlocks detailed control over the multi-zone lighting, letting you synchronize effects across the system or create subtle, low-key patterns that match a clean build. The modules have a distinctive premium look with a replaceable top bar, so you can swap in different accents or even custom-printed pieces to match a themed rig. While clearly aimed at enthusiasts, the Dominator Titanium RGB DDR5 set feels stable and reliable in daily use, making it a strong long-term choice for a high-end workstation or gaming system.